up guys? This is Reg na naman here. So another unboxing. So this is another recent pair I got yesterday sa Titan, and it's a very special pair of Air Jordan 1s commemorating the new Spiderman Origins movie,
Spider-Verse.
So again, if you haven't subscribed sa channel ko dito, you hit the subscribe button below. May 100, basta sa 100 subs natin, magkakaroon tayo ng giveaway. So don't miss out, just subscribe to my channel, watch the content, and also ring the notification bell dyan sa gilid. So yun. Like and comment if you have if you have suggestions, if you have violent reactions or something, reaction dito sa aking video. You can also share it anywhere you want it. So yun, thank you. So again, this is the Air Jordan 1 Spiderman Origins. So yun nga, ito daw yung gamit nung bagong movie ni Spiderman. It's a animated or cartoon movie na nag-launch kahapon dito sa PH.
The Spider-Verse.
So sana kung sino manonood dun, I hope they watch it, and then I hope na nagustuhan nila yun. So, ito yung gamit kasi ni Spiderman or si Miles Morales dun sa movie niya. So yun. They depicted yung kung ano yung colorway ni Spiderman doon. And they put here in the shoe with some very interesting details. Yun. Parang yung sa Hollywood release nito, may maganda siyang box, so we're not able to get it from Titan kasi I got this again. Titan, shoutout again to Titan, thank you always providing me heat. So yun. Yung normal box lang siya, hindi siya yung special box na nakuha nung sa Hollywood edition. So, let's review the shoe. Yun, Nike Air Jordan 1 box. So ito yung original box niya. So yun. Actually, very interesting yung colorway na to. Reminds you of a colorway. This is the shoe. May nakikita kang detail. All around the leather of the shoe, may mga maliliit na dots na kayo makikita. Ayan. It depicts yung parang scales ni Spiderman. Actually, it's not scales Hindi naman siya, hindi naman sapot hindi naman scales yung design kay Spiderman, diba parang mga sapot, mga webs Pero yun, it's in the movie, and this is the copy of the shoe. So yun, nakikita niyo naman dun sa shoe na yung colorway niya para siyang Chicago, Air Jordan 1 Chicago. So yun, di siya red toe, di siya black toe, para siyang Air Jordan 1 Chicago. So yun, with minor accents of blue and dicey sole sa bottom. So again, yung interesting dito na binalot nila lahat yung halos yung buong red na leather niya ng mga 3M na mga dots. Parang maliliit siya dots, na reflective siya. Pag nakikita niyo pag merong ilaw na nagpapasto dito sa sapatos na, nakikita mo yung detail niya. So yun nga, gamit nila genuine leather dito sa bold leather siya. Maganda yung niya, it feels good dito sa backside. Very good cushioning dito sa may back arc niya. So yun, very strong. Tas yun nga, yung midsole niya, traditional pylon with Nike Air na technology dun sa loob. Hindi siya zoom sa Nike Air. So yun. Meron siyang may yung dito sa yung tag ng Nike niya dito, di ba dun sa sa mga Nike Air na Air Jordan 1s na release. Puti nilalagay dito tapos red. So iniba nila yung style, so they just put blue. Kudos to Spider-Man's color. Kasi red yung details sa it's yung tang niya, it's very soft. So it's for maximum comfort. So may rin siya. Meron din siyang extra shoelace. So if you want to switch it up, if you want to make it more wacky or make it more pop, may pop siya, just swap the shoelace dito sa black na shoelace na Dead stock pair to. I haven't worn these. parang novelty item to kasi medyo ano siya, medyo maganda rin naman. Yun nga ako kasi I'm not into yung yung icy outsole niya. So pag tumagal siya talaga, kakaroon siya ng yellowing. I'm not a big fan of yellowing. So yun nga, and then the swoosh, yung iba kasi leather. Ito kasi yung swoosh niya, iba siyang material eh. I'm not sure what kind of material is this. Dito sa swoosh side niya. Parang, it's not suede, it's not, it's not the same as the leather basta. So, again, normal na Jordan 1 to. It's a different dun sa Air Jordan sa Air Jordan Flyknit ko. So yun. Thank you again for Titan for hooking me up with this pair. So yun. Thank you. This is Reg. Thank you again for watching my vlog. So back to. And I hope you could subscribe to my channel for future content. And then may other giveaways ako na magkakaroon. This is Reg.